Yeah.
Like, get down the hill. Alright, Kyle, I'm gonna put this nice TV in your house. I just gotta get it there first. I can fix that.
Be careful, don't break it.
I'm trying not to. Alright.
Alright. A little bit more.
Almost there. A little bit of super glue will be good to go.
Don't scratch the wood.
I got this fat ass behind me. Use it to fucking help me.
Yeah, but he looks good. And that's what counts.
Alright. Where do you want it? Right over in that corner? We'll plug it in?
Yeah, right by the couch. Don't break the glass.
Alright, almost. We're getting there.
Oh, I appreciate it, Eric. Thanks for the hand.
No, I'm a moving service. I do this all day.
Oh, turn it on. See how it looks.
See if it works. Quite where it needs to be.
Oh, perfect.
God damn it. A part fell out of it.
All right, pound it back in there.
How was that not breaking?
Here, let me kick it.
I don't know. I can't fix this piece of shit. Too damn powerful.
Oh, excellent.